Tired of trying to time the market, only to end up feeling like you're perpetually a step behind? What if there was a strategy that removed emotion from investing, consistently putting your money to work regardless of market highs or lows, and doing it all with minimal effort? For many, the idea of investing feels like navigating a treacherous minefield. One day, the headlines scream about a booming economy, urging you to jump in. The next, a market correction sends shivers down your spine, making you want to pull your money out and hide it under your mattress. This emotional roller coaster is precisely why so many individual investors struggle to build long-term wealth. We buy high when FOMO, fear of missing out, takes over, and we sell low when panic sets in. It's a self-sabotaging cycle that can derail even the best intentions. But what if I told you there's a proven, powerful, and remarkably simple strategy that sidesteps this emotional trap entirely? A strategy that allows you to steadily build your investment portfolio over time, almost on autopilot, and smooth out the inevitable bumps of market volatility? That strategy is called dollar cost averaging, and in this video, we're going to dive deep into what it is, why it works, and how you can seamlessly implement it using one of the most popular micro-investing apps out there, Acorns. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, isn't some secret Wall Street wizardry. It's a straightforward investment strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. Think of it like this. Instead of trying to predict if a stock is going up or down tomorrow, you simply commit to buying, say, $50 worth of that stock every week, or every 2 weeks, or every month. The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity and its counterintuitive effectiveness. Let's break down the mechanics. When the market is down and prices are low, your fixed dollar amount buys you more shares. Conversely, when the market is up and prices are high, your fixed dollar amount buys you fewer shares. Over time, this consistent buying averages out your purchase price. You end up buying more shares when they're cheap and fewer when they're expensive, which naturally lowers your average cost per share over the long run. This is a crucial concept to grasp because it directly addresses the psychological pitfalls of market timing. Instead of agonizing over entry and exit points, you're simply committing to the process. Imagine a stock that fluctuates. In January, it's $10 per share. In February, it drops to $5. In March, it climbs to $15. If you invest $100 each month, January, you buy 10 shares, $100/$10. February, you buy 20 shares, $100/$5. March, you buy 6.67 shares, $100/$15. Over these 3 months, you've invested a total of $300 and acquired 36.67 shares. Your average purchase price is approximately $8.18 per share, $300/36.67 shares. Notice how this average is lower than the peak price of $15. If you had tried to time the market, you might have bought all your shares at $15 or panicked and sold at $5. DCA removes the guesswork and provides a disciplined, systematic approach. So, why is DCA so powerful, especially for long-term investors? First, it reduces risk. Market volatility is a given. No one can predict the future with 100% accuracy. By spreading your investments over time, you mitigate the risk of putting all your money into the market at an unfortunate peak. You're essentially hedging against short-term fluctuations. Second, it removes emotion from investing. This is perhaps its greatest psychological benefit. The emotional swings of greed and fear are the biggest enemies of successful investing. DCA transforms investing from a high-stakes gamble into a consistent, almost boring habit. You set it and forget it, letting the power of compounding and market growth do the heavy lifting. Third, it fosters discipline. Consistency is key in building wealth. DCA forces you to be disciplined with your savings and investments. Even small, regular contributions can add up to substantial wealth over years and decades, thanks to the magic of compounding. Fourth, it works for almost any asset. While we often talk about stocks, DCA can be applied to mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. The principle remains the same: regular, consistent investments. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually do this, especially if I don't have a lot of money to invest up front? And that's where Acorns comes in. Acorns is a micro-investing app designed to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background or starting capital. Its core philosophy aligns perfectly with the principles of dollar-cost averaging. Acorns helps you invest spare change from your daily purchases, set up recurring investments, and manage diversified portfolios automatically. Let's explore how Acorns facilitates DCA through its key features. Roundups. This is Acorns' signature feature and arguably the most passive way to engage in DCA. When you link your credit or debit cards to Acorns, it rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns rounds it up to $4 and takes the 50 cents difference. Once these roundups accumulate to $5 or more, Acorns automatically invests that money into your chosen portfolio. This is DCA in its purest form: small, consistent investments happening almost without you noticing. You're literally investing your loose change, and over time, these small amounts can grow significantly. Imagine all those forgotten pennies and dimes adding up to real money working for you. Recurring investments. While roundups are excellent for passive investing, Acorns also allows you to set up fixed recurring investments. You can choose to invest a set amount, say $5, $10, $50, or even more, daily, weekly, or monthly. This is the more traditional application of DCA. You decide on an amount you're comfortable with, pick a frequency, and Acorns handles the rest. This ensures a steady flow of capital into your investments, irrespective of market sentiment. Setting up these recurring investments is incredibly simple within the app, giving you complete control over your DCA schedule. Diversified portfolios. Acorns doesn't just throw your money into a single stock. It invests your funds into diversified portfolios of ETFs, which are essentially baskets of various stocks and bonds. These portfolios are curated by experts and automatically rebalanced to maintain your chosen risk level, from conservative to aggressive. This diversification further reduces risk and aligns with a long-term investment strategy, complementing the benefits of DCA. You don't need to be a stock market guru. Acorns handles the asset allocation for you, ensuring your investments are spread across different sectors and asset classes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.